Good morning, YouTube. How's everybody? Well, I have everything ready here. Going to overnight camp for the first time. I've got everything in here that I think I might need. Let me show you. On this side, I have the little cushion for the dogs. And under there's the seat, laying down. There's water. I have the dog pen. I have a chair. I have a tent. I have bed rolls, pillows all smashed down. And I thought that if I put everything over here, that it would be the same height as here. But as you can see, it's a lot more stuff. Maybe I didn't smash the bed rolls down enough. But that's what I got there. More water. I have a little space heater. I have microwaves under that blue blanket. I have the refrigerator here. Put some tape on the inside of that reflective to hold it in there, on there. Sometimes it works. I turned this my Dometic refrigerator around so that I can grab it easier on this side. That's what I have in here for the weekend. I know, it doesn't look like much, but it's enough for me, and I can always buy more food if I want more food. And then here, front seat, I have a cooler full of extra food that doesn't need to be cooled. I have a flashlight, I have towels, clothes, and I have this bucket here that I thought I might be able to take a bath in this bucket. A bath in a bucket? Why not? Starting out with 4 green dots and a blue dot, fully charged. I charged that all with the sunshine this week, so I'm ready to go. You ready? Let's go! Come on, let's go! You want to go on a trip? Huh? Okay, let's go. I just had to take a picture of this gorgeous tree in bloom. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that blue sky. Well, we are fully loaded, traveling down the street, and I love how the Honda Element feels with a heavy load in here. It drives like a dream, so solid and sturdy, feels great. I used to have a Ford F-150. Same thing, the more junk I could put in the back of that truck, the nicer the ride. Here we go. To the park on the way to the campground, and I thought we were going to be serenaded here because some other people just pulled up and they got out and they were singing and singing. That's so nice, huh? Okay, so the scripture for today is, it says in the Message Bible that we should tell God what concerns us, and that in a little while He will make everything work out and peace will come upon us again. That's pretty cool. Well, here's our camp spot. How's it look? Pretty nice? Okay, so I got the tent standing. Oops, tent's not standing anymore. Okay, the tent is standing again. I got the pegs in there. I got a sleeping bag laying on the bottom. Let's see what happens when we unzip it and look in there. Aha! There it is. The inside of the tent. Hi, precious. Are you guys all set up? Here, birdies. Where are the birdies? Where are the birdies? Look around for birdies. Okay, I'm all set up. Got my pop top up. Got my solar panel out. Got my little powder room tent. And the dogs are back there. I have to keep moving them because the sun keeps moving, so I want to keep them in the shade. Let's walk over here. Here's the couch. I can lounge in the day. Here's the bed and the bed rolls where I can sleep tonight. The view from the penthouse. And now it's time for lunch. Okay guys, so what is wrong with my tent? It keeps falling down. Someone who knows about tents, leave me a comment. What am I doing wrong? Okay, so my solar panel is in the bright sun. I keep moving it as the shade moves. Here's a bottle of water that I have wrapped in 2 black plastic bags. I'm hoping to make some warm water to use tonight for washing. The bedroll is all undone. Oh, looks nice. I wish it was dark now. I want to go to bed now. Okay guys, so what is wrong with this? It's supposed to be a shower tent. But I can't figure out why it won't stand up. Okay, all the wind in there. Now it stands up. It stands up just fine at my house, in my living room. But for some reason, out here in the wind, this is what it does. I think it'll make a good kite. Well, that's it for today, guys. I will let you know tomorrow how my first overnight camping trip goes in my eCamper. See you later. Adios. Mwah. Bye.